Hello, fellow wanderers. Welcome to Traveler's Expedition, your ultimate guide to the world. Today, we're embarking on a unique journey, one where we explore the exciting realm of earning money while doing what we love most, traveling. That's right, we're diving headfirst into the world of travel affiliate programs. But before we set sail, if you share our passion for travel, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share our videos with your fellow travel enthusiasts. For the latest updates from us, ring that bell notification. So, are you ready to discover how to turn your love for travel into a lucrative venture? Then fasten your seatbelts because we're about to take off. Imagine earning money while helping others explore the world. Today, we delve into the realm of travel affiliate programs, a fascinating world where the love for travel, business acumen, and the digital sphere intertwine. Think of it as a bridge connecting eager travelers to their dream destinations, and in the process, filling your pockets. Intriguing, isn't it? This is how it works. Travel affiliate programs partner with travel agencies, airlines, hotels, and more. As an affiliate, your job is to promote these services. Every time a booking is made through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The companies get their services promoted and you get paid for your efforts. This isn't just a side gig. With the right strategies, a travel affiliate program can be a lucrative source of income. You can literally make money while you sleep. So how does one become a travel affiliate? Stay tuned to find out. Commencing your journey as a travel affiliate involves a few crucial steps. Let's dive in and explore each one of these so you can set sail on this exciting venture. The first step in your travel affiliate journey is research. This is where you'll be spending a good chunk of your time initially. You must understand the travel industry, identify travel trends, and know what travel products or services are in demand. This will help you figure out what niche you want to focus on. You might want to specialize in luxury travel, budget travel, or maybe adventure tourism. The choice is yours, but make sure it's a choice informed by careful research and a clear understanding of your target audience. Once you've done your research, the next step is to choose a suitable travel affiliate program. There are many travel affiliate programs out there, but not all are created equal. You'll want to consider factors such as commission rates, the reputation of the company, the range of products or services offered, and the support provided to affiliates. Take your time to weigh up the pros and cons of different programs and choose one that aligns with your niche and business goals. After you've chosen your travel affiliate program, it's time to set up your affiliate account. This is usually a straightforward process, but it's important to do it right. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself or your business, and you may need to go through an approval process. Once your account is set up, you'll have access to the affiliate dashboard where you can monitor your performance, access promotional materials, and manage your account settings. Now, you're ready to start promoting travel products or services. This is where the rubber meets the road. Your promotional efforts could take many forms, depending on your chosen platform and audience. You might create engaging blog posts about travel destinations, share affiliate links on your social media pages, or send out email newsletters with travel tips and deals. Whichever approach you choose, make sure it provides value to your audience and encourages them to take action. Remember, your earnings as a travel affiliate are directly tied to the number of successful referrals you make, so it's in your best interest to promote effectively. And there's one more thing. As you embark on this journey, don't forget the importance of patience and persistence. Becoming a successful travel affiliate doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build an audience, establish trust, and generate consistent income. So keep at it, learn from your mistakes, and continually strive to improve your promotional strategies. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful travel affiliate. Among the myriad of options, why should you opt for Travel Payouts as your travel affiliate program? Well, that's a fantastic question, and the answer lies in the unique advantages that Travel Payouts offers over its competitors. Let's delve into what sets this program apart, shall we? First and foremost, Travel Payouts offers high commission rates. We're talking about some of the most competitive rates in the industry here. This means that for every booking made through your affiliate link, you stand to earn a significant portion of the profit. And let's face it, in the world of affiliate marketing, every little bit counts. But it's not just about the money. Travel Payouts also offers a wide range of travel services. From hotels and flights to car rentals and insurance, there's a service for every kind of traveler. This breadth of offerings means that you have more opportunities to earn commissions. And who doesn't love more opportunities? Now let's talk about support. In the world of affiliate marketing, having a robust support system is crucial, and that's exactly what Travel Payouts provides. They offer excellent support to their affiliates, ensuring that you're never left in the dark. Whether it's technical issues, questions about commission rates, or just a simple query about the program, their support team is always ready to assist. But perhaps one of the most compelling reasons to choose Travel Payouts is the community. By joining Travel Payouts, you're not just signing up for an affiliate program, you're becoming a part of a community of successful travel affiliates. This community is a source of inspiration, advice, and camaraderie that can be invaluable as you navigate your journey as a travel affiliate. So, to sum it up, high commissions, a broad range of services, excellent support, and a thriving community. These are just a few of the reasons why Travel Payouts stands out as an exceptional choice for your travel affiliate program. By choosing Travel Payouts, you're not just joining an affiliate program, you're becoming part of a community of successful travel affiliates. Now that you're a Travel Payouts affiliate, how can you maximize your earnings? The key to making the most out of your partnership with Travel Payouts lies in three main areas: effective promotion techniques, understanding your target audience, and leveraging the analytics provided by Travel Payouts. Firstly, let's talk about promotion. You want to ensure that your audience knows about the great deals and opportunities that Travel Payouts offers. This could be through blog posts, social media shoutouts, or even a dedicated section on your website. Remember, the more visibility your affiliate links have, the higher the chances of them being clicked on, and that's where your earnings will come from. Next, understanding your target audience. Who are they? What are their travel preferences? When do they usually book their trips? Knowing the answers to these questions is crucial. By tailoring your content and affiliate links to your audience's preferences, you'll be able to generate more engagement and consequently, more earnings. Finally, let's delve into the world of analytics. Travel Payouts provides comprehensive analytics about your performance. These include the number of clicks on your affiliate links, the conversion rate, and your total earnings. By studying these statistics, you can identify what's working and what's not in your promotional strategies. Perhaps certain types of content generate more clicks, or maybe some deals are more popular than others. Use this information to refine your strategies and maximize your earnings. And don't shy away from experimenting. Try out different promotional techniques, target different audience segments, and see what works best for you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy in affiliate marketing. It's all about adapting and evolving. In short, maximizing your earnings with Travel Payouts is all about effective promotion, understanding your audience, and making the most out of the analytics provided. It might take some time and effort, but the results will be well worth it. Remember, your success as a travel affiliate largely depends on your strategies and effort. So roll up your sleeves and start implementing these strategies today. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started off by introducing you to the world of travel affiliate programs. We shed some light on the fact that these programs allow you to earn a commission by promoting travel services like hotels, flights, car rentals, and more. We then took a deep dive into how you can become a travel affiliate, discussing the steps involved, from selecting a program to promoting the services. We focused specifically on Travel Payouts, a leading travel affiliate program that offers a variety of benefits. We highlighted how this program is advantageous over other options due to its high commission rates, extensive range of travel services, and its broad selection of promotional materials. We also emphasized how Travel Payouts provides a user-friendly interface and detailed analytics, making it easier for you to track your progress and optimize your strategies. In the realm of maximizing earnings, we shared a few tips. We encouraged you to promote a wide range of services, as this not only provides more options for your audience, but also increases your chances of earning commissions. We also discussed the importance of understanding your audience's needs and preferences, and tailoring your promotions accordingly. Additionally, we stressed the necessity of staying updated with the latest trends in the travel industry, so you can adjust your strategies and stay ahead of the competition. We hope that this video has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of how to make money as a travel affiliate, and specifically, how Travel Payouts can help you achieve this. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires a strategic approach, consistent efforts, and a willingness to learn and adapt. So, as we wrap up, keep in mind that the world of travel affiliate marketing is vast and full of opportunities. With the right approach and persistence, making money as a travel affiliate can be more than just a dream. Start your journey today.